basically what I need to do is I need to sand this. I probably won't get this lot of top. You see I have a lot of bare metal.
How you remove the prime?
I'm going to pressure wash it first, and then I'll sand it. I'll sand it with 40 grit. Basically, you're not going to get all this off.
You need to be careful because it's aluminum, no?
Aluminum. Yeah,
It's aluminum.
if you go too far, and this is paper thin.
Correct, correct. It's a little, no?
Yeah. So I'm going to sand it to scuff it up. Whatever the pressure washer, the whole idea of the pressure washer is to get the loose stuff off.
Correct, okay.
Once I get the loose stuff off, then I'll sand it, and then I'll prime it. I'll prime it. It's a two-part epoxy. It'll be hard, and then I'll put a slick on the bottom of it.
Alright, and it's expensive, that process?
Yeah, I mean, labor is going to take you probably a day. As far as the two-part epoxy is like $180, and then the slick is like $80.
Okay.
So it's like $300.
Alright, that's good.
Hey guys, so now that we explained the process of sanding, is important understanding that you protect yourself when you're working on all jobs, depending whether you're sanding, fiberglass. So I'm just going to give you an example of the stuff that I use. You should always use a respirator, and the reason I say that is because what happens, you don't breathe any of that stuff in your lungs. It may not affect you now, but it will affect you in the future. So the best thing is to protect yourself. These cartridges here, you can interchange them, put new filters, and use the same thing. And a word of advice, you should always have your own filter. There's nothing worse than you breathing in someone else's unless you absolutely necessarily need to. Also, eye protection. Last thing you want to do, there's different types. I like this type because it kind of looks cool, and not only that, it also protects my face as well, besides the mask and my eyes. So with this, how this works is, the dust will get in my eyes, you can irritate your eyes, maybe a piece of particle gets in your eyes and you got to go to the doctor and you make yourself a whole mess. And not only that, again, in the future, all those contaminants in your eyes will create a problem. So the best thing to do is protect it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how we put this on. So I'm going to show you how you put this stuff on. So basically, you have the straps on the bottom and you have the straps over your head. So it's always good put the straps on the bottom first. So the straps on the bottom, and it has a hook like this. So you hook up on the back side so it releases. So you go right here, and then you have it. So really when you stop working, you need to breathe or take a break, you can let it hang on your neck, and when you're done and you're ready to start working again, put that over your head. You have your eyes, and now you're ready to sand.